Hello friends, welcome to the channel. And if you are new to our channel, subscribe to our channel, like the video and share to your friends. So friends, these are completely probable answers and these are correct answers with respect to my view. If you feel any incorrect answer, you can feel free to comment, and also you can choose your own answers as these are probable answers only. And coming to this week, assignment 4 of Joy of Computing using Python. Last week we have provided 100% correct answers, and I feel the same too this week also. And coming to first question, which statement can be used to come out of an infinite loop? The answer for this is break statement, because break statement breaks the execution of the infinite loop so that immediate termination of the continuation loop will be happen. So break statement is the answer. Second question, here we have a long question and they given a code to do equal to, it's a list, send mail, recharge mobile, workshop preparation. There are 3 items. It is 0 index, 1 and 2. So we have to delete it from the list. What we have to delete? We have recharged your mobile. So where is it? It is second one. That means index is 1, 0, 1. And here the statement or operation used to delete is remove. So to do remove is the answer. And coming to third question, simulate a lot box that contain all alphabets A to Z, draw on display. The answer is fourth option, that is print random.choice string.ascii uppercase. Here they have given uppercase letters, so you have to use uppercase. There are 2 options with uppercase, so it is a string, so this makes difference. And coming to fourth question, the answer for this is third option, result equal to a into b plus c of c power 2. Here exponent is represented by 2 asterisks. We all know that, and the answer is third option. Coming to fifth question, how will you display the current date in month, day, year format? So the answer is fourth option, that is datetime dot string f time strme. So fourth option. And sixth, when if we compile this, you will get the answer is second option, prints s if both strings have at least one common character. And coming to seventh question, the answer is option 2, that is returns true for leap year and false for non-leap year, because we know the leap year format, by that we can say that. And coming to 8th question, the answer is option 1, that is 3 2 1 8 5 6 7 6. And 9th question answer is, and the first question we should read, pick out the snippet to perform integer division. So friends, the Python format for integer division is 2 backslashes. So a 2 backslashes and b, it takes integer out. If we got 3.4, it will give 3, it means integer division. And coming to final question of this week 4, that is pick out the valid function called to the definition given below. So the answer is second option. I'm going to submit these answers. Friends, if you like this video, subscribe our channel, like this video and share to your friends. Until then, be safe, be happy and be strong. Thank you. Bye.